Check out what came in the mail today. Now we'll take it out. Woo! Look at that. Got my name on there. Got Colleen's name on there. The name of the ship. And the date. Sale date. Pretty cool. Oh, there's our watch straps. Oops, sorry for shaking the camera. Blue for me. Blue for a boy. Pink for a girl. And those medallions just pop right in there. What else did we get? I think these are the lanyards if you want to have a lanyard. Yeah. Lanyard. That clips onto there. And the medallion, I believe, just pops right in. Just like that. Pop it out. Stick it in. There's Colleen's. Very nice. Pop mine out. Magnetic. We're ready to go cruising. And not only did we get our medallions and our watch straps today, but we put in a bid to upgrade from interior room to a balcony room, and we got that upgrade today too. So all around a good day. We leave 2 weeks today. Looking forward to doing some video and going on an awesome trip.